A quick demonstration of power button locations on a cell phone, a tablet, and a laptop. This is a smartphone. With some rare exceptions, all iPhones, Androids, and Samsungs have the power button on the right side. This is a tablet. Like smartphones, modern tablets have a power button on the right side. Notice the separation between it and the volume buttons. Last is the laptop. This is my personal computer, a Lenovo ThinkPad. This power button is in a typical place, within the keyboard and in the upper right corner. Now, looking at the keyboard, we can see several places where the power button may be. It can be outside of the keyboard or within the keyboard. It can be in the upper right, the center, or the left side. It can even be along the outside, on the left or right side. There are also Lenovo ThinkPads that have a button in the center of the keyboard. In most of these cases, the power button is marked with the power symbol, which is a vertical line that breaks a circle. If you're having trouble, you can refer to the user manual, which comes packaged with your device. If you have lost or misplaced the manual, you can look up the name and brand of your device on Google with the keywords power, button, location. Check the video description for more tutorials or visit www.accesstechnologiesinc.org.